All right, we're gonna start from a brand new PowerShell window, actually. Okay, no more mouse touching for me. Let's start off from here. All right, the directions are gonna be something similar to this. Forgive me if I kind of blank in the middle of it. The main thing he's gonna want you to start with is to make a directory in your C drive called, like, for example, your first and last name. Okay, simple as that. You want to make sure it's there. There, we see that Tyler Lewis is there. Okay. Now, he also wants to make a directory in the documents folder. So, oops. It's going to be the same thing on the test, except that it's going to be the computer's username uh, or the classroom's username rather than mine. But it's still going to be the same. So, under documents. So, let's go here, make a new directory called first name, last name, keep. Okay. Um, there's going to be a directory in your documents folder called test files. Let's go ahead and see what's in there. So we can see that there's text files named text and touch files all enabled touch. Now what I want you to do, or the test might want you to do, is let's say copy. You can do it a couple of different ways. We can type it all out like this, and then put an asterisk after touch, and then put .txt. That's one way you can do it. You can also just do this. But I'm going to do it the longer way. I want to copy these files to, let's go to the folder we made in the C drive with your first and last name. Nothing popped up. That sounds like a good thing. So let's go to CD slash my name. Dir. So as you can see, the touch files are there. If we go to where we just were, you see the touch files are still there because all we did was copy them. Literally just grabs them and puts them where you want it. Now the next thing I would like for you to do is there's going to be a folder somewhere, or this might not be exactly the same, but very similar. I made one already called new, a folder called new. So we're going to go to new. Let's see what's in new. A whole bunch of folders, files named new. Let's move those files so we can type it out fully if we want. It's a good habit to get in the use of putting quotation marks. New. I want everything into the new folder. And let's go ahead and move that to our keep folder. Now, the difference between copy and move is if we look in our folder new now, there's nothing here. So let's go back to cd c slash users Tyler documents Tyler Lewis keep. Now that we're back here, let's see how many files we have total. Oh, hmm. Ew. Little oopsie, no worries. So I actually moved them to the folder in the base thing. So we can do the same exact command. Move C / Tyler Lewis and anything that's labeled touch.txt to, we could do it this way instead of typing it all out. Alright, things look a little different. And the last thing he's going to ask you is to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go. And that's basically the test. Not going to go much further, but if you were to be still in the system32 file folder, you could do everything from there. But that literally is it. I hope that helps a little bit.